Well, I'm gonna go to the gym. I have to go to the butcher shop. Gotta do all these things. But it's extremely warm outside right now. That means I gotta go for a swim. I'm gonna jump in the lake. Come on, let's go. You're going in with me.
Hot seat, hot seat, hot seat, hot seat, hot seat.
Train the muscles, not the joints. You can't afford to go to the zoo, you just come to the butcher shop, you just go to the town butcher and you just can watch these guys, these animals behind the glass. My steak, all right. If you're ever in the Chilliwack area or something like that, this is the guy. You just come to Bill, man. It's just great stuff here. So I'm making some chicken here. I got some garlic on top of here, but I'm just taking a full breast from the town butcher. See, I get fresh breasts because they taste totally different when you get them fresh instead of defrosting frozen stuff that's in a box or whatever. So, and you also get a lot more chicken out of it. So, you know, frozen stuff, even though you pay a certain amount of money per pound, when you get fresh stuff, you get a lot more for your money, right? So, it makes a difference. But yeah, some of you guys have been bugging me for cooking videos, so here I am talking to you about cooking. So, what I have over here is some yams. So, some of you guys asking me about what kind of anabolic foods you think are out there. You know, what kind of foods really help you put on muscle mass and stuff. I find yams are pretty anabolic food for some reason. I don't know why, they just seem to really work for me. As soon as I eat them, I notice I pump up. Whereas if I have rice for the carb or something else, totally different, right? So, yeah, so I chop them up. I chop them up in slices like this, you see? They're not cooked yet. Hey guys, you hard? Yeah, they're pretty hard still. Don't eat them when they're crunchy. They're not done when they're crunchy. Yeah, so that's what I'm eating right now. I like chicken breast, yams, and then I'll have some steak from time to time. Again, I get the fresh stuff from the town butcher here in Chilliwack. So if you guys want to support the channel through Patreon, that's great. But if you want to buy me a gift certificate through the town butcher in Chilliwack, that's okay too. I'll take that. I eat a lot of chicken. What can I say, right? So this is the thing. It's not that hard to cook. It really isn't that hard to cook. But I find that cooking large amounts of chicken at once and large amounts of yams at once is convenient, or finding a way to have a convenient carb prepared. So having a rice cooker like this and then having your yams just automatically cooked and then warm there, you can have several meals in a day and you don't have to worry about recooking every single time. I don't like to freeze stuff in a container and put it in a freezer and then microwave. I don't really like to use the microwave on my food. And it does have a different taste, but of course that is more convenient. So some of you guys might find that more convenient. So I understand if you do that, but I like to actually have something that's more fresh, right? So I'll just make a bunch of chicken. I'll keep in the fridge. I won't freeze them. I just keep in the fridge for 2 days or 3 days. I eat it within 2 to 3 days. And then I have my yams as well. And I cook those every day. I cook a new batch of yams every day, right? So yeah, that's how I do it. Bam. See, the chicken is not pink now, so you check the inside. Check the inside to make sure it's not pink. And if it's not pink, that means it's cooked. Usually. Steak can be pink, chicken, no, not pink. So it's done. Now I just gotta wait for the yams and then I'll have a good meal. So I'll eat this 2 or 3 times a day. I like it. And of course, I vary it up. Sometimes I'll switch to brown rice. Sometimes I'll have a sushi meal in between, or I'll, you know, throw some broccoli in there or whatever. But this is the staple, right? The carb and the protein. Whole chicken breast in there. Maybe 2. 1.5 or so. 1 to 1.5 about. I just worked out at the gym, so. Set number 4, so 3 sets of 10, and I think I got 8 there, something like that. So that's good. Now I'll go to weighted dip.
Set 5, yeah.
Set 5, okay, I'll do one more set. This feeling just doing some chest today because I went for a swim. It's awesome how you put the finger in front of the lens there. That's awesome cameraman technique. Like, Sam is not the shitty cameraman, but he's the second shitty, but he might have just went to first shitty cameraman.
Take that,
right there.
Anthony.
Yeah, he might have beat you, Anthony. He might have beat you and being shitty cameraman. So, yeah. I guess there's a little bit of a rivalry going on between you two.
Let's go! Oh, come on!
All right. I got more reps that time.
Yes.
Sometimes it's about getting your groove, right? Sometimes it's not about just muscular fatigue. Sometimes it's about efficiency of groove, right? So that's sometimes what happens. These guys are looking at me film. What the that about? What the hell's that about? Get a shot of them. Watch me. Get a shot of them, yeah.
You sure?
Hey, see, we got them. They're
Got
scared
him.
now. They're scared now. All right.
Can we have a little live performance of you rapping?
Rap. I don't have any rap skills at this point, but
Here we go. Live performance on the spot. Let's go. Freestyle.
Yeah, I haven't practiced my live performance of trolling, you know, the troll stuff. I can't even remember the lines to my own lyrics.
Ghosts and goblins bring you down. Ghosts and goblins all around. Ghosts and goblins in disguise. Ghosts and goblins.
But yeah, I'll post some stuff in the card right here. Some of the songs that I made already.
Right there?
Yeah, right up here, right up in the corner.
Oh, okay. I see.
It'd be like Thunderdog. I made a song Thunderdog a while ago.
Yeah.
A couple years ago actually, and I made a song
Living in the ridge. A lot of drugs. Prostitution. A lot of people suffering. Suffering begets suffering.
called The Ridge.
Yeah.
So I did a few hip hop songs. You know, I'm pretty well rounded as a bodybuilder, I think, and an artist. Basically, I did some chest and some rear delts. Actually, I didn't do a big workout. I did some bench presses, about 5 sets of bench, and about 3 sets of dips, and then I did about 4 sets of bent over lateral raises. So it wasn't my usual whole body workout, but it was just a workout in between doing a bunch of stuff I had to do today. So I've been doing whole body workouts the last 3 or 4 days, so it's not really a big deal if I don't do a whole body workout every day, right? So it's like the portion of chicken I've got going on there. So now I put this chicken in the Tupperware. Chicken I'm not going to eat right now anyway. I'm going to just take breasts as I need them, right? So, see? All right, they're cooked. There you go. So yeah, now I'll just add this to a bowl and obviously, you know they're cooked when they're soft, right? So. So yeah, that was me cooking chicken and yams. I hope this helps you cook some meals or whatever. Thanks a lot for watching, and I will be doing more cooking videos in the future. So if you need to get a hold of me, just go to naturalgallantbodybuilding.com, and thanks a lot to the Patreon supporters, and take care for now.